In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove smart chips in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed an email address, a file name, a date, or a link, and Sheets turned it into a small pill-shaped element with an icon, that's a smart chip. Chips are helpful for adding context, but sometimes you need plain text for sorting, exporting, or using formulas without interruptions. Here's how to strip the chip formatting while keeping the underlying content intact. First, go to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet where the chip appears. Make sure you have editing access and you're in the correct tab. If you're working with shared files, it's a good idea to confirm you're not in view-only mode. Next, click the cell that contains the smart chip you want to remove. You'll know it's a chip if it shows a rounded shape or if hovering opens a small preview. If you want to clean up multiple chips at once, you can select Arrange Now. The same action will apply to all selected cells. Now right-click to open the context menu. On a mouse, use the right button. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works, and holding the control key while clicking is a handy alternative. If a preview card pops up instead, press Escape to close it and try the right click again. In the context menu, hover over the Smart Chips option. This section only appears when the selected cell includes a chip, and it groups all chip-related actions in one place for convenience. Finally, click Remove Chip. Google Sheets immediately converts the chip back into plain text. The content remains in the cell, only the special interactive formatting is removed. For people chips, you'll see the name as text. For file chips, you'll get the title or link as plain text. For date chips, the date stays as a regular value, so filters, sorts, and formulas continue to work normally. If you change your mind, you can undo the change right away using the undo button or the standard keyboard shortcut. This makes it safe to test on a few cells before applying it to an entire column. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If you selected multiple cells, Remove Chip will apply to all of them at once, which is the fastest way to tidy a dataset. If you don't see smart chips in the menu, make sure you actually selected the cell with the chip and not a neighboring blank cell. And remember, removing a chip doesn't delete any linked file or contact. It simply removes the special chip behavior inside your sheet. That's it. Your data is now clean, consistent, and ready for analysis or export.